Three-ton package unit.
I mean, even this, see how it's wide open? But with trees and stuff all around, they still get pollen and dirty. Find there's like the houses out there in the villages where they live in those villages and there's no trees around.
Yeah.
You go get me some electrical tape.
Yeah. You need anything else?
Went in there yesterday and he told Gail, he says, come on up here. I'm going to adjust you too. He put her up on the table and popped her back. Gail come out of there, she goes, the fucking hole's going to be exactly the size of the wire.
Philip goes, God damn it, I told you the other day. I know I'm gonna have to crawl under here.
Go tell Philip, see if it pulls now.
No, he went to go get a flashlight.
Oh.
I'll go.
If I can get this
tug
through
on
it, we'll be in good shape. But it's not.
Somebody could just throw the damn thing right there.
You should be able, he's pushing it through. See if it comes through, he says. Yep. Oh. It hung up on one little thing. You want me to pull on it out here?
Not yet, we go.
Okay.
Are you ready? We like to fight with the tight hole. Okay. Oh, it broke.
Ah. It broke. That enough?
That's plenty, thank you.
Yep. New thermostat wire.
Take out that part.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, she's got 4 I'll let her know.
You asked me everything?
Yep.
20 with the AC.
It was 15 until the AC get work.
Can't go wrong.
500 something a month locked in.
Yeah. Now, is this affiliated with the one on Lake Unity too? This is Lake Griffin Isles.
There is a canal back here too.
Yeah, they got a walk down.
They got a dock down a couple houses.
Yeah, but that canal.
Let's fix the old bridge right there.
Yeah. So that canal will actually lead over to the other, where the ramp is.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It may be. That's a lot of money to walk now. Yeah, look, this is a 3-ton.
It's a 3-ton.
It's what's in the truck, that's what's going in. It's alright, we'll come back next week and change it back out.
Told that Brian guy if he's gonna keep switching his money, he needs to go ahead and pay for that other one.
He hadn't paid yet. He did already email again. Till late
Gail, we're gonna need you to
late October, November.
help push up over these bricks, please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that.
We on the pad?
Yep.
Okay.
Oop.
There you go.
There you go.
So smart. How he gets all in beer.
I told you my neighbor's all happy now that I finally missed one.
Yeah.
Frick.
Tape. This and set it in here.
These guys ain't worried about rain.
Nah.
Like hell, my tools are expensive.
First
Well,
level?
you quit buying that Milwaukee shit over there. Is that Milwaukee? Or is that Harbor Freight Special?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I ain't got I ain't got Milwaukee money. That's Harbor Freight Special.
Yeah.
That's You know, at least the tools stay dry. You know, it's not free.
Hey, now it's gonna stop.
It's
Yeah,
gonna
that's
stop.
what he said. Oh, it'll be off and on, so.
There's your hunting tent, man.
They got me an umbrella.
For your thing. You know, Gail, we bought one for Gail, and it's either a ground blind or it came with this little deal that you mount to the tree, and it's got a sliding thing like a trailer hitch, and you just slide it in there over your stand.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh,
It was nice. It's all
It lasted
rotten
like
now.
4 years, 5 years. Now it's got a hole in the roof.
Yep. Squirrels.
that's
Hey,
my
duct
neighbor. He
tape.
left his. He had showed me last year.